These past few days, I've been wandering through the North Woods, reflecting on all the sights I've experienced, moments falling in love with nature, and the people who have made this place feel like home this past year. The day has come. I'm officially leaving the North Woods, which means packing up my life into a suitcase and taking another leap of faith into the unknown in pursuit of my dreams. Everything that's in this bedroom right now is quite literally every single item that I own. As I have been packing up my suitcase, I have been packing up more than clothes. I'm packing with me all the memories of portaging and falling through the mud in these shoes. I'm packing the memories of farming in a beautiful community in these overalls every single day. I'm packing up memories of exploration and adventure which keep my heart full. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of packing up my Wolfer bedroom. Now, it looks a lot messier than I thought it would be. Cleaning this place to its bare bones was a beautiful reminder of this next chapter in my life, where I'm starting fresh, decluttered, and ready to add new memories to the bank. And it also is a thank you to this room for holding the space that left me finding home, community, and warmth. I think this past year I've really been reflecting on how it's like I have felt most alive when I've been traveling. I felt most alive when I'm meeting and engaging in conversation with new people that I meet all along this road trip. And honestly, that has been so fulfilling, and I think I'm just so ready to explore more of what this world has to offer and really just have some internal reflection within myself. Hey guys, it is officially day 3. It is a move out day, and yes, I am wearing the same outfit again. And oh my gosh, does it feel so surreal. It's currently sunset hour, and I'm looking right in front of me out my window, and the sunset just looks so beautiful. The colors are purple and almost kind of peachy. There's clouds that look ominous. There was literally a rainbow outside my window just about half an hour ago. Oh my gosh! Last day living at Wolfridge. And it's like, while I know all this beauty and this memory and this picture in my head of the North Shore will deeply forever be ingrained in my memories, I'm just so excited to see this sunset in so many new parts of the world, because that's what's so beautiful about nature. It's like there's truly beauty every single place that we go. Being in this room one last time, I finally feel a little emotional because I know this chapter is coming to an end. A year ago is when I decided that I was going to take that leap of faith and just go and road trip across the United States by myself. Guys, I'm headed to Finland, Minnesota right now, and I'm so excited because I have 4.5 hours left and we're almost there. Woo! To live in a place that was so unfamiliar to me. Woohoo! I made it, guys! It's Wolfridge! And it's like, here I am a year later with so much growth, so much love gained inside of me. It's just made me so much more curious and loving towards the world, so much more compassionate and excited and energized. All I can think about right now is just how grateful I am. How grateful I am for the community of people that I met here, the women that have impacted my life, the nature that has surrounded me and kept me feeling so full. I am so grateful for being exactly where I am and for having no idea for exactly where I'm going next, but all I know is that it's going to be okay, because that's just all part of the journey. A journey that I'm just excited to keep on taking each of you on. I'm excited to immerse myself in the woods, to continue taking leaps of faith into knowing that everything is going to work out, everything is going to be okay, and that, well, life is beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time from who truly knows where. Couldn't tell ya. But to the next cabin in the woods. Bye.